everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to sort data by date in Excel. So I have this list of employees and the date they joined the company. So we are going to sort the data from the oldest to the newest employee and vice versa. So before sorting, you have to make sure that the date column is formatted in the date format by selecting the cells, then right click, then click format cells, then click dates and make sure the cells are formatted in the date format as they are at the moment. So once you're done, select the entire data set and then right click, then go to sort, then go to custom sort and click on it. Then from here you can see that Excel recognizes our data has headers. This box is checked. Yeah, these are the headers. And then go to sort by. So we are going to sort by date of joining, which has the dates, and then make sure this one has values, and then sort from oldest to newest. Then click OK. So you can see the oldest employee is Joy, who joined in 2007, and the newest is Johnson in 2023. So to sort from newest to oldest, again, make sure your data set is selected, and then right click, then go to sort, then custom sort, then we are sorting by date of joining, then the cells are in, we are sorting by values, then from here we click from newest to oldest and then click OK. There you go. So that's how you sort in Excel by date. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, like, and see you in our next tutorial. Bye.